Hope you are well. So I am back on the farm. Today I'm just going to be showing you a quick overview, just to give you a quick update on where we are at the farm right now. Um, and then maybe in the next video I'll give you a bit more deeper story of how quarantine was for us, and yeah, give you an update on that, and obviously that I'm back in the country. So I'm happy finally to be back in South Africa. And yeah, so I'm just in the greenhouse now with all of our gooseberry seedlings and spinach. So I'm just going to go around the farm, and I'm going to show you basically where we're at right now, what we're at right now, how things are looking. It's November, so we're getting ready for Christmas season. Hopefully it's going to be a high season for us, a good season. So yeah, guys, it's exciting to be back. It's hot, obviously. We're back in South Africa. I'm coming back from England. So when I left, it was 2 degrees, and I'm walking into literally 38. That's how I literally walked in, from 2 to 38. And I'm unfortunately British, where those temperatures are just not normal to me. Even though I got used to them. I was coming back, but anyway, guys, enough moaning. Let me show you what's going on the farm.